Hello everyone, this is Mr. Yeps. Now in this video I'm going to explain why countries devalue their currency. Now first of all, let's define currency devaluation. Now devaluation is a deliberate downward adjustment of a country's currency against another's currency. So it's a deliberate downward adjustment. Devaluation. Now, when we say deliberate downward adjustment, what does it mean? It means that the country weakens its currency against another country's currency. Okay. Now, why do countries devalue their currency? We have some points here that I will explain. All right. But first of all, let me come to scenario 1. And then when I finish, we come to scenario 2. Under scenario 1, you have 1 Ghana cedi that is equal to $1. Now, what this means is that with 1 Ghana cedi, you can buy a product that is worth $1. So here, it is obvious that the cedi is strong, and for that matter, importers will be empowered to import as much as they can afford. So under scenario 1, it is likely for you to have a situation whereby people are doing more of importation of goods into the country because their currency is strong and it really gives them a very high purchasing power in international market. All right. Now, let's move to scenario 2. Now, it is important for you to note that after devaluation, the same amount of foreign currency buys greater quantities of the country's currency than before the devaluation. This means that the country's products and services are likely to be sold at lower prices in foreign markets, making them more competitive. So when you come to scenario 2, that explains devaluation. Here, the government has weakened the cedi against the dollar, meaning that now you need more of the cedi for few of the dollar. Now, if you check scenario 1, 1 cedi was equal to $1. But when you move to scenario 2, now you need more of the cedi for few of the dollar. Now, what does this mean? How does this affect the country's trade? Number 1, country devalue because they want to promote export. Now, the reason being that when you devalue or when you weaken your currency, it makes your currency cheaper at the international market. And again, it makes products cheaper at the international market. All right? So, countries and other traders can buy more of your export because they are cheaper. Imagine they having $1. They will be able to buy as much as products that is worth 5 Ghana cedis. But at first, they were only able to, with $1, they were only able to buy product that is worth 1 Ghana cedi. But after devaluation, with the same $1, they are able to buy product that is worth 5 Ghana cedis. That means that your products have become cheaper at the international market. Now, the other reason being that you devalue or you weaken your currency just to discourage importation. You want to correct that error where people are importing more goods into your country than exporting. Then the last one is that you want to correct your balance of trade deficit, a situation whereby you are importing more than you are exporting. So basically, this is a short explanation on why countries devalue their currency. there are other um, consequences of this particular act, whereby you can have a situation that other countries will want to also devalue their currency because one country has devalued its currency. All right. So I hope you've been able to understand currency devaluation and how it promotes export and corrects countries' balance of trade deficit. Thank you.